Hi, I'm Brian Pomerank, Executive Chef with the Machine Shed. Today we're going to feature our stuffed roast pork loin. First, I'm going to take the boneless pork loin. I'm going to trim a little bit of the outside fat. You don't have to trim very much because a lot of that's going to add flavor when you roast it in the oven, so I'm just going to trim a little bit of the excess. Okay, and I'm going to take the pork loin and I'm going to open it up in the middle and start trying to butterfly this open so I get a nice big square. It's important not to completely cut through the meat because you don't want the stuffing to come completely out. And I'm going to reverse that so I can get this. Now that I had it butterflied out and squared off, I'm going to add our line sage, which is cold. Just trying to make sure that you get lion sage all the way to the end as tight as possible. Next, I'm going to try to roll as tight as I can, taking my fingers and trying to push the dressing into the inside so I get a number of rolls so it has more of a pinwheel look. When it's kind of squared off, it rolls over real nice so the meat overlaps, which will help hold the stuffing in. Going to take some of our butcher twine and I'm going to tie this to basically hold the meat together and keep the stuffing on the inside. After tying the boneless pork loin off, we're going to go ahead and season it. And the seasoning that we use here at the Machine Shed is 4 ingredients: kosher salt, sage, garlic salt, and black pepper. Now that we have this pork loin seasoned, the next step would be to bake it in our convection oven at 325 degrees for 1 hour. Here's a delicious example of our stuffed roast pork loin: 2 4-ounce medallions, mashed potatoes and gravy, and garden fresh vegetables. Come see us at the Machine Shed. For breakfast, lunch, or dinner, we're open 7 days a week.